Good day. I have here a patient monitor from Philips, Efficia CM120, and the main problem with this one is the NIBP. It does inflate, but it will stuck up. I already pulled out the BP module. We have here the board. Here, it is connected like this, and then this wiring is connected to this area right here. We have here the tubings. So I already pulled out the BP, and the problem with this one is it will stuck up at 160. It will not go down. So let's go to the basic problem with this one. So here we have the solenoid, these two solenoids. I already pulled out the internal of this one. So the main culprit is these two solenoids. It will not deflate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this internal hole, these two, and then I have here the two, this one. This is going inside to this. Okay, so it will trigger when it is turned on. So this one I will also clean this. This is the tube connected to this area right here. Okay, so and we have also these springs. These two springs is going to be inserted to these two holes together with this one. So I'm going to clean this up. This is just basic problem of the NIBP. As you can see here, we have these two sensors on the board, and this one I think will analyze the pressure, and this one also will analyze the deflation of the airbag. It's just part of the main board of the patient monitor. As you can see here, I'm going to turn this one. Okay, look at the inside internal, and we have here the connections, ECG, SpO2, and the BP. And on the other side, this is the connection to the printer, and we have the battery compartments. Okay, I'm going to repair this one, and we'll see. Okay, I already installed back the board. As you can see here, this is the position of the BP NIBP module. So I'm going to install it back right here, and we'll check for the BP, that position, and this one. The connection is here, center. There's a guide here. So once I will install this one, I will try to test it. Okay, I already installed back the NIBP module, and as you can see, I already started the machine. And here we're going to test the NIBP, and we'll see if there's a clicking sound, and if it does have a clicking sound, then I think we're ready to go. Okay, test. Okay, okay, so at least There's a inflation ongoing, as you can see here. We'll try to test it again. Okay, and then let's get back. Test. Okay, as you can see, you can hear a clicking sound. That's the solenoid. And try to press it again, it will release. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to block the Nibp and it will start to inflate. Okay. It's inflating and there's a clicking sound, meaning the solenoid is working. So it's going to work now. Okay. Okay, we're going to test the Nibp. I have here a tubings and a cuff. So I'm going to inflate. Okay, as you can see here, it's inflating. Okay, now it's deflating. Oh, I have the higher BP. Let's try it again. Whoop. I think it's a little bit high, so I'm going to change this one. Well, actually it's not working, and I'm just going to replace the cuff. I think there's a problem with my cuff. Okay, I'm going to return back the casing and we calibrate the Nibp. So again, thank you. God bless.